Hello friend, welcome to 5 Best Tools Review. On this video we are reviewing the top 5 best electric heat gun. We made the list based on around opinion research and customer reviews, and all those products are top selling. An electric heat gun is a versatile tool that generates a stream of hot air, typically used for a variety of tasks like stripping paint, shrinking tubing, drying damp materials, thawing frozen pipes, and softening adhesives. Unlike traditional tools, electric heat guns offer precise temperature control and safety features, making them ideal for both enthusiasts and professionals. Their ease of use, coupled with their ability to tackle tough jobs with precision, has made electric heat guns an essential tool in many workshops and households. Number 1. PATUOPRO Electric Heat Gun. The PATUOPRO Electric Heat Gun is a versatile and reliable tool, perfect for enthusiasts and professionals alike. One of the standout features is its compatibility with a wide range of 18V series lithium batteries, such as the BL1850B, BL1840B, and BL1830B, among others. This makes it an excellent choice for anyone who already owns tools that use these batteries, as it allows for seamless battery sharing, and saves you the hassle of purchasing new power sources. The heat gun itself is powerful and heats up quickly, making it suitable for various tasks like paint stripping, shrink wrapping, and even loosening rusted bolts. The build quality feels robust, ensuring durability even with regular use. The ergonomic design is another plus, as it is comfortable to hold during extended tasks. However, it's important to note that this heat gun is not compatible with the G-series batteries, such as the BL1813G and BL1413G, or with 18V nice CD batteries like the 1822. This limitation is crucial to keep in mind, especially. Number 2. Huepar Tools HG01 Electric Heat Gun. The Huepar Tools HG01 Electric Heat Gun is a reliable and versatile tool that's perfect for home projects. Weighing just 1.3 kilograms, it's lightweight and easy to handle, making it suitable for prolonged use without causing fatigue. One of its standout features is the adjustable temperature control, allowing you to precisely set the heat according to your project's needs. The digital display is a great addition, giving you a clear and accurate reading of the current temperature, which is especially useful for tasks requiring specific heat settings. This heat gun runs on a standard 220V supply and meets several certifications, including C, FCC, RoHS, and WEA, ensuring it's safe and environmentally friendly. Whether you're stripping paint, thawing pipes, or even shrinking plastic, the HG01 delivers consistent performance. The build quality is robust, and it feels durable, making it a great investment for both occasional users and avid eaters. Overall, the Huepar Tools HG01 is a top-notch electric heat gun that combines functionality with ease of use. Number 3. Kamolee 2000W Electric Heat Gun. The Kamolee 2000W Electric Heat Gun is an impressive tool, especially for home enthusiasts. With its powerful 2000W motor, it delivers high performance, making it ideal for a wide range of tasks, such as stripping paint, loosening rusted bolts, or even thawing frozen pipes. The heat gun is easy to handle, thanks to its ergonomic design, which reduces strain during extended use. One of the standout features is its adjustable temperature settings, allowing precise control depending on the project at hand. This versatility makes it suitable for both delicate and heavy-duty applications. Additionally, it heats up quickly, so there's no waiting around, which is great for those who value efficiency. Despite its power, the Kamolee heat gun operates relatively quietly, which is a pleasant surprise. The build quality feels solid, and the gun seems durable enough to withstand frequent use. It's also lightweight, adding to its ease of use, especially for those longer projects. Number 4. Makita DHG181 Electric Heat Gun. The Makita DHG181 Electric Heat Gun is a highly efficient and versatile tool that's perfect for anyone involved in renovation work. One of its standout features is the adjustable temperature range, which spans from 150 degrees centigrade to 550 degrees centigrade. This flexibility allows for precise control, making it suitable for a wide variety of applications, from stripping paint to loosening adhesives. The heat gun is powered by an 18V battery, which offers cordless convenience, especially useful in spaces without easy access to power outlets. Despite being cordless, the DHG181 doesn't compromise on performance. It delivers an air volume of 100 Lmin to 200 Lmin, ensuring that the job gets done quickly and efficiently. Weighing in at just 0.8 kg, this heat gun is lightweight and easy to handle, reducing user fatigue during prolonged use. Its ergonomic design further enhances comfort and control, making it a pleasure to use even in tighter awkward spaces. For those concerned about safety and quality, the Makita DHG181 comes with C certification, ensuring it meets European safety standards. Number 5. DEWALT DC530 Electric Heat Gun. The DEWALT DC530 Electric Heat Gun is a fantastic tool for anyone engaged in home projects. Weighing only 0.5 kilograms, it is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it ideal for tasks that require precision and extended use without causing fatigue. One of its standout features is the adjustable temperature control, which allows you to customize the heat output depending on the material you are working with. This flexibility ensures you can tackle a variety of jobs, from stripping paint to loosening adhesive. The build quality is what you would expect from DEWALT, known for their durable and reliable tools. The heat gun feels solid in hand, and is designed to withstand regular use. Another plus is its C certification, providing an extra layer of assurance regarding its safety and performance standards. One minor downside could be the other rated voltage, as it requires you to verify compatibility with your local power supply. However, this is a small inconvenience given the overall quality and performance of the tool. Thank you guys for watching this video. Check the description box and click for all the information about those product. Please subscribe my channel for more update.